In today's video, I'm going to show you how to celebrate work anniversary on LinkedIn. This is a great opportunity to reflect on your achievements, appreciate your journey, and thank the people who have supported you along the way. Let's get started. First, head over to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, sign in using your Google account, Microsoft account, or your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn may send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code to complete the login process. Once you're logged in, it's time to share your milestone. Start by thinking about what you'd like to highlight in your post. You might want to reflect on your achievements, thank your colleagues and managers, or simply celebrate how far you've come. On your LinkedIn home feed, look for the Start a Post box at the top of the page and click on it. Below the text area, click the plus icon to see more options. From there, select Celebrate an Occasion. This option is ideal for marking milestones like a work anniversary. Next, choose Work Anniversary to make sure the post is categorized correctly. To make your post more engaging, upload a photo or select an image from LinkedIn's available options. Once you've chosen an image, click Next. Now it's time to add your message. Write a short reflection about your journey. Mention key projects, milestones, lessons learned, or personal growth during your time at the company. You can also include relevant hashtags to increase visibility, such as industry-related or career-focused tags. Don't forget to express gratitude. Thank your colleagues, managers, and the organization for their support and opportunities. A little appreciation goes a long way in building strong professional relationships. Once you're happy with your post, scroll down and click Post. And that's it. You've successfully celebrated your work anniversary on LinkedIn and shared your journey with your professional network. Remember to engage with comments and messages. It's a great way to strengthen connections and spark new opportunities. Thanks for watching, and happy LinkedIn posting!